Hi everybody! Welcome back dito sa ating channel. So for today's video, mag-unbox tayo guys na pinadala sa atin ng Interpil Laboratories Inc. So if you want to know more about their products, so please keep on watching. Okay, so nandito na tayo ulit guys. At mag-unbox tayo ng PR package from Interpil Laboratories. So, they are from Laguna, Cabuyao, Laguna. Actually, hindi ko nga alam na nagpadala sila sa akin. And, na-receive ko siya yesterday. So, ito yung package niya, guys. Ayan. Nakuha lang tayo ng ating scissor. Sirain ko na lang pala. Wow! Naka-paper bag siya. Parang personalized, no? So, disinfect muna natin. Hindi ko nga alam guys kung anong item. So, buksan natin siya. Ayan siya. Na naka-paper bag. There you go. So, meron siyang pariba na ganun guys. And then, let's open. Sabay-sabay natin tignan kung ano yung laman. Woo! OMG! Wow! Meron akong picture! So, this is... Oh! This is from Sinuzip. Ayan siya, guys. Okay. So... I love it. Meron siyang personalized. Ang cute naman dito. So, basahin natin guys. Parang pinaka-flyers niya. So, feeling under the weather, having difficulty breathing through your nose. Imagine how perfect it is to have a warm cup of lemon drink. Breathe in and relax as you smell the diffusing lemon aroma. Meron siyang aroma. Come from the cup, take a sip, and experience that delightful treat with its pleasant tasting lemon flavor. And finally, feel the warmth and relief it gives you from symptoms of colds and flu. Wow! And then may nakalagay din guys na for adults and children 12 years old and above. Take one sachet every 4 to 6 hours as needed or as prescribed by physician. And then, the other details, kanila mga other contact information. Ayan, there you go. And then, what else? Ang cute talaga niya, guys. Kasi meron akong personalized na na ganito. Natutuwa naman ako. So, ilagay natin siya, guys. So, ang cute ko pa dito, di ba? Meron silang eco bag. There. So, that's the logo. Eco bag. Right? And then, pinadala nila tayo guys ng 1 box of Sinuzip. Ayan. So, there. Ito yung kanyang pinaka-itsura. There you go. So, meron siya guys 10 sachet na nakalagay sa isang box. So, buksan natin siya. It also included the manufacturing date and the expiration date. Paracetamol siya. Alam niyo yung mga Biogesic, ganyan, sa teacup, para ma-relieve yung colds and flu. Instead of taking yung mga capsule or yung mga tablets, so you can drink this para ma-relieve yung inyong colds and flu. So, basahin ko guys yung formulation niya. Each sachet contains paracetamol with 500 milligrams and then hydrochloride 20 milligrams. And then, meron din siyang flavor na lemon flavor. And then, indications for the symptomatic relief of colds and flu. So if you have symptoms na mga colds and flu, you can take this one instead of taking yung mga capsule and yung mga tablets nga. Kasi some of the peoples are not into medicine and ayaw nilang umiinom ng mga gamot, kaya I think this is much better you are not into medicine like yung mga capsule and tablets. And for the directions for use, okay, pour contents of 1 sachet into a mug and fill with hot but not boiling water. Stir until dissolved. If preferred, sweeten to taste with sugar or honey. So there's another instruction. Adults and children 12 years old and over. Okay, 1 sachet every 4 to 6 hours. Do not exceed 2 grams. Paracetamol 4 sachet in 24 hours or prescribed by physician. And there's another reminder, guys. Especially if you have problems sa mga puso or if you have other health condition, kailangan din daw na mag-consult kayo sa inyong physician. So ito guys, basahin ko. Patients with high blood pressure, toxic goiter, prostatic hypertrophy, heart rate irregularity, glaucoma should be careful in taking PPA. Patient with heart disease and uncontrolled, untreated high blood pressure should consult the doctor prior to taking PPA. So, yun na nga guys, before taking this paracetamol, Sinuzip, especially if you have other health condition, consult muna kayo sa inyong physician para mas ligtas tayo, especially kung iinom kayo na hindi naman nila binigay na reseta or something. So if you want to try guys, yung kanilang paracetamol lemon drink flavor, just check my description box para makontak nyo sila. So, I will be updating you guys once na na-try ko yung kanilang paracetamol Sinuzip with lemon flavor. Ayan guys. So, thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please give me a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click the subscribe button. And itap mo na rin yung notification bell sa gilid ni subscribe button. And also, kung hindi ka pa nakafollow sa aking mga other social media accounts like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, itype mo lang ang Len Oruga para lagi tayong connected. So, see you guys on my next one. Bye!